Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on REALME GT7. So we have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see a logo on your screen. Now use volume buttons to move to your language and then press power button to select and then select format data. Now you have to enter your verification code and then click on format. Then click OK. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform full setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.